Hi, in today's video, we will discuss how we can create a data frame in R from scratch. So few things to remember that what is a data frame? It is a collection of rows and columns, and the column should be of equal length, and the data frame can store any kind of data, which can be character, string, factor, or it can be numeric or date also. So let us proceed and let me create a data frame as student underscore data. So here first thing you will have to let the R know that we want to create a data frame. All right, and now let me say that I want to create a column student ID, and I want to it to be a repetition of, let us say, 1 to 4. I want to create 4 rows. You can create as many as per your requirement. Then I have their name. Let me create a student name equals to, and then let me quickly write the name, and the name can be as Arav, can be Johnny. Okay, Johnny. Let me write down Ojas, and let me also write down a name, Rasaria. Okay, now I want to create a date. So for date you can say that enrollment date equals to C. Now let me create a date and I'll copy it over 2020. Let us say 0606. I want to create this date. Now let me just copy it and I can make some changes there. 1 2 3. So I have 4 dates. Let me quickly make some changes. Okay, now one more thing you will have to do. You need to write as.date to let the R know that we are creating a date type here. All right, now you can also mention that we do not want string as factors. So let me say it false, that my strings are not my factors, and I hope we are good. Let me run this cell. Okay, and now you can see that we have our little student data frame ready. Okay, few things to remember that when you are creating a data frame, do not use this arrow assignment operator. Let me run this and you will know why. So let me run it again, and I have used it on student ID. So if I run it now, you see that the data frame I have created now, you see that the column name is now created as student dot, and it has appended the student IDs. Okay, so that is why whenever creating a data frame, do not use this assignment operator, arrow assignment operator. Let's run it again with equal sign, and now you see that my student ID is now corrected. What is this string as factors? Let me run it through and then it will make more sense. So let's run it again, and now if you see, so let me print the structure of this data. uh, let me clear the console with Control L, and now let us see student data, and you see that now my student names are a factor of 4 labels, which I do not want because it is not a factor. This is simply a name of a student and there can be any number of names. So you can write string as factors equals to false, and our data frame is now ready. So now please do remember these things, guys. These are very helpful little tiny things but very important. Okay, so it is student data. Let me print the structure now. So you see it is not a factor anymore. So basically we have now created our small data frame here, and this way you can create any amount of rows and columns. So I hope it would be helpful for you. Please do like my video and subscribe my channel for more notification of more upcoming videos. Thank you very much.